Hello, good evening. My name is Muhammad Rashid. Today I am going to present a seminar on the topic IoT, Introduction to IoT. What is IoT? IoT is Internet of Things, which refers to the network of interconnected devices which communicate data between devices for automation and control. The key components of IoT are devices, connectivity, and data processing. By devices, it means that sensors and actuators which are present in our everyday item equipments such as mobile phone, smartwatch, etc., which collects data and perform actions. The IoT device communicate between each other using connectivity protocols such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, etc. It also uses cloud or edge computing for data analysis and control. One of the example of IoT in IoT application is home automation. Smart homes equipped with smart lights, smart fan, other smart electronics, and security systems are an example of home automation. It helps in the automation process and control remote control of devices, appliances, etc. Another place which uses IoT is healthcare. In healthcare, we use devices equipped with a sensor to monitor the health state of the person. It also helps in remote patient care, which the doctor can access the details of a patient using without personally going and checking. In agriculture area, IoT is used to monitor and maintain the crop condition of crops and soil. Industrial IoT enhances the productivity of production of industry by automation and predictive automation, optimization and predictive maintenance. Smart cities are also an example of IoT. It optimizes. It is used in the improvement of urban services such as traffic management systems and internet energy services, energy usages. The main benefit of IoT is efficiency. Using IoT, with the usage of IoT, you can automate processes which saves time and resources. Also, using IoT, we can get the real-time data which can be used for more informed decision making. IoT also helps in reduction of costs for maintenance and using predictive maintenance and optimization using sensors. It also enhances the customer experience by personalized service and interaction. There are many challenges in the IoT field. One of the main challenges is security risk, as it is a connection based system. It is vulnerable to cyber attacks, risking the user data. The scalability of IoT is also challenging, as the amount of data and number of devices will keep increase as the scale of IoT increases. Other concerns are data privacy. The privacy of collected data and its usage raise a concern for the user. The interoperability of IoT devices, interoperability between IoT devices and platforms can also be challenging, as it may struggle to work efficiently. The IoT can be enhanced through the 5G network, which is becoming more common, and as the connectivity increases, the automation and processing also increases. The use of AI in IoT makes the decision making and monitoring very efficient and precise. IoT, so in conclusion, IoT is a very it can be a very big, it can make very various sectors, and it can improve various sectors using IoT, which is very helpful for the society, such as agricultural and industrial area. Thank you.